Jingle bell.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and for those who are new, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell so that you don't miss any new videos from us. For those who don't know me, my name is Aisa, and I'm really glad to have you guys on our channel. So since the holidays are coming, and I know not everyone has money or the coins to buy new weave or get their hair done, and you might just want to rock your natural hair. There's nothing wrong with that. So I decided today to come to you guys with two new hairstyles that I've been rocking recently, and I've actually really been liking them. Like, I don't know, I feel like they're cute and they're simple. You don't really need that many like hair products to do them. And yeah, it just like spices up your hairstyles, if you're tired of always having the same bun or like twist out or whatever you guys do. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video because I really enjoy wearing these hairstyles recently. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy them. If you do decide to recreate these looks, please let us know in the comments down below. And also on our social media, we would really like to see how you recreated the look. And yeah, before I start talking too much, let's get into the video. So, hey guys, welcome back. So for this style, I'm starting on freshly washed hair. And as you can see, I already parted the hair because it was just easier. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my black castor oil and just use that on the tip of my fingers so that I can unravel the two front parts in the front. Oh, and if you haven't watched my previous video, I did use the same products that I mentioned in the other video to wash my hair, and I did put those leave-in products in my hair, so go watch that video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use that water and just spray like the roots of my hair. And that's gonna help when I put the gel. I don't know, for my hair it helps. And I'm gonna be using the Gorilla Snot Gel. So yeah, I'm just putting that gel on that first front section all around the perimeter. And then I'll go ahead and smooth out my hair with this brush. So then now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just start doing a normal cornrow on that front section. Now this isn't really a video to kind of teach you how to do cornrows. If you guys would like me to do one, I can always do one, but this was just to show you how I achieved this style. So yeah, I'm just going down that section, just braiding my hair all the way till the end, guys. So now that that's done, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to go ahead, use my black castor oil, and just smooth that on the tips of that braid and also on my edges. And I'm just going to go ahead and unravel that braid. And same thing, I'm just going to spray the water on my roots. You can also spray it on your hand and then just smooth it out if it's easier. But yeah, and then I'll be using the Gorilla Snot Gel and putting that at the same place on the perimeter of that section and just smooth it out with a brush. And then once I'm done prepping my hair, I'm just going to do the same thing and braid that section down in a cornrow. So now comes the fun part. I did decide to use these gold pins and then just kind of place them wherever I liked on my braids. Obviously I didn't have the beads, but so I thought this was still kind of cute. And then now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the work on the baby hairs in the front of my hair or my head, and I'm just shaping them up right now. And then I'll go ahead and use that same Gorilla Snot and just kind of shape them some more. So I did decide to kind of twist up that little part right there, but yeah, so now that my baby hairs are kind of laid, I'm going to go ahead and use this scarf or this bandana to just kind of make sure that they stay in place. And while I do that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my black castor oil and use them on the tips of my fingers so I can unravel the rest of my hair or the rest of my braids. so now that all my braids are unraveled, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of fluff out those braids and those sections. And I'm just being very careful to make sure that I don't cause too much frizz, and just kind of separating my hair where it naturally wants to separate. And I'm just going to keep fluffing it out until my hair kind of looks okay, or like I would like it to look. And then once I'm done fluffing out my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and take off that bandana. And guys, do you see them edges though? Okay, anyways, so yeah, I'm just going to keep fluffing out my hair, making sure that the lines from the sections aren't visible. And this is style number 1. Okay, so for style number 2, all you need is an elastic band and one of them long ones. And what we're going to do, we're literally transitioning from that first style, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that all around my hair, and I'm going to bring that elastic band to the front, as you see. And I tie it 3 times, guys, because I have a really small head, but depending on your head size, you know, just keep working and pushing that elastic band up until it kind of forms the bun size that you like. And then once that's done, I'm just fluffing out my hair again. And that's basically style number 2, guys. So this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I really like these hairstyles recently. These are like my go-tos recently, just because they're cute and they're different from what I'm used to always doing. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you would like to see more like natural hair tutorials, and yeah, let me know down below if you like this hairstyle and if you recreated it, and we hope to see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
What else? Your body will kill me. Yeah. Up in every palm bed. Ram town.
Yeah. 1, 2, 7.